Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel. In today's Salesforce tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a field is required in Salesforce. Sometimes while creating records, user may skip important fields like phone number, email, industry or any custom field. To avoid missing information, Salesforce give us an option to make fields are mandatory or required. In this video, I will show you different methods to how we can make a field is required. We will go with complete step-by-step explanation. So without wasting your time, let's start today's tutorial. So first, we need to understand what you will learn in this video. In this video, we will cover what is a required field in Salesforce, why we use required fields, how to make a field required while creating the field, how to make an existing field is required, difference between page layout required and field level required. So first, we need to understand what is required fields? A required field means user cannot save the record without filling that field. For your understanding, for example, I have a account record object. So in this object, I have a new button. If I click on new button, this window will be open. So in this window, we have a account name. So without entering account name, you are not able to save this record. So this field, we call it as required field. Then I will show you one more example. So what I will do like, I will navigate to my receipt object. In this receipt object, I have a new button. I will simply click on that new button. So what happened? I have so many fields in here. So while creating new receipt, I need to fill this field. But unfortunately, what I did like in before, I didn't make any field is required. Okay. So even I simply click on save, automatically one blank record will be creating. So this is not a good thing, right? We need to add some values. Otherwise, in here, for example, the receipt is created, but I don't know the customer name. As well as I don't know which account is related to this receipt. So this will happen. Avoiding this type of problem, we will go with required fields. Now I hope you understand. Currently, I will go with method 1. Our method 1 is how we can make field required by creating field. So for example, this receipt only, I will create one more field. Click on gear icon, go to edit object. In object manager, you need to navigate to fields and relationships. Click on new. So I will create one more field like advance amount. So advance amount is my currency field. So how we can create? I will simply select currency data type, then click on next. So I will enter the label of the field, advance amount, as well as I mentioned length like 16, decimal place is 2. Automatically field API name is field. So if you scroll below, you have one option like required. Always required a values in this field in the order to save the record. Means if you click on this, it becomes checked. Whenever you are trying to create new receipt, you need to enter the value for this field. So that we make it as required. Currently what I did, I simply select this one. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then save. So now we saved. Now the field is saved. We need to go to page layout. We need to arrange that field in receipt layout. Okay, I just put that advance amount in this side. Then click on save. So once I saved, again I will go to receipt object. What I will do, I will hard refresh once. Now I will again click on the new button. If I try to click on save, it will show this error because currently what I did, I make it as advance amount is required. So previously what happened, even I didn't enter anything, new receipt is creating. But now without entering any value for the advance amount, this record is not saving. Then we need to move to make an existing field is required. For example, if you already create one field, you need to make it as required. So currently, again I will click on new button. So what I will do like customer name and account is my mandatory fields because without customer name, I can't able to find this receipt is related to which customer. And also as well as account also not mapped, I am difficult to find this receipt is related to which account, like that. So currently I will make it as customer name and account is mandatory. How can I make? The same thing. Again, you need to go to object manager, go to fields and relationships. In quick find box, you need to search that fields. You need to make mandatory. So currently I have this field. I need to make mandatory or required. How we can do? You simply click on that. Click on edit. So once you click on edit, in here, in general options, we have a required. So you simply click on that checkbox, then click on confirm, then save. Now what happened? This customer name field becomes required. So again, I need to make account also required. So I simply open that account field, then click on edit. In here also, I will click on required, then click on save. So as per our requirement, we make it as two fields are required. So then go back to your receipt object. Again, one more time, you need to refresh. Now try to click on new. Now you can see there is a red star mark. This star mark refers to the field is required. Account also have that same. So without we entering any record, it will show complete this field. So this is how we can make existing fields are mandatory. Let's take a real-time business example. Suppose your sales team creates a lead in Salesforce. If user forget to enter mobile number, your company not able to contact customers. So that's why we need to make it as customer phone number is mandatory while creating leads. So admin can make mobile number is required to maintain proper customer data. This improves data quality, reporting, customer communication, automation accuracy. So that's it for today. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.